To use MEXC with a VPN, start by understanding what MEXC and VPN are. MEXC is a cryptocurrency exchange that allows users to trade various digital assets, while a VPN, or virtual private network, is a service that encrypts internet traffic and hides a user's IP address. First, choose a reliable VPN provider that meets your needs, considering factors such as speed, security, and server locations. Download and install the VPN software on your device. Then launch the application and sign into your account. Next, connect to a VPN server in a location that allows access to MEXC, as some countries may have restrictions on cryptocurrency trading. Once connected, verify that your IP address has changed by checking your device's network settings or using an online tool. Now, navigate to the MEXC website and log into your account. If you do not have an account, create one by following the registration process. Ensure that you have enabled two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security to your account. When using MEXC with a VPN, it is essential to be aware of the exchange's terms of service and any restrictions on using VPNs. Some exchanges may prohibit the use of VPNs, so it is crucial to review the terms before proceeding. To trade on MEXC with a VPN, browse the various markets and select the cryptocurrency you want to trade. Enter the amount you want to buy or sell, and confirm the transaction. Keep in mind that using a VPN may affect the speed of your transactions, so be patient and monitor your account activity. Best practices for using MEXC with a VPN include choosing a reputable VPN provider, keeping your VPN software up to date, and regularly checking your account activity for any suspicious transactions. Additionally, be aware of the local laws and regulations regarding cryptocurrency trading in your area. By following these steps and guidelines, you can securely and effectively use MEXC with a VPN, protecting your identity and financial information while trading cryptocurrencies. Remember to always prioritize your online security and stay informed about the latest developments in cryptocurrency trading.